Anything can get.
Mr. Flashy ran for his life after the taxi carrying him and an associate in Dublin was shot up. Cops expected retaliation over the flashy mob murder of rival James Whelan in April. A vulnerable man was threatened by David Glenn Ward, who demanded €30,000 after he liked a social media post of rivals. The North Dublin man, in his 20s, was once friendly with Flashy. The man attempted suicide due to the threats. This follows the firebombing of the home of James Whelan's mother. She and brother of James Whelan escaped unhurt. After a certain point, one accepts the world would be better off without the likes of wicked scumbag Mr. Flashy in it.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification button. Country girl, country boss, Trinity boss, Rockford, Clifford, Arizona boss. You left me for Sir P and a nothing baby. I'm still there. I know my money not long like Sir P money. I joke me I make, man. But anyways, yo, wanna just watch that clip there. And this are the Gucci gang. Some white boy them from out of Dublin. And the man them are going with a bag of things in a Dublin. Him go by the name Mr. Flashy. And him run the gang. And some man try kill him. Shoot up the taxi where him in a. Here we go, once again. Our man know he in a taxi. And because somebody we are linked with tell the man he in a the taxi. And that's why the man shoot it up. But anyways, reason why me I do them video here, I do that specific one here, is to educate my viewers and subscribers on what's going on out there in the world. Because we know so Jamaica bad and violent. And we talk about Jamaica all the time. But I just want to show violence there everywhere. And doing these vlogs, you're kind of pessimistic when you look on the world, because you wonder, yo, is there any good people in the world? Is there anywhere in the world where we can live in peace and harmony? But you can't give up on the world and you can't give up on people. And that's my thing. Now, Mr. Flashy, I terrorized Dublin. And the people them a lick out on him. One them a shot him up. And a bag of things are going on. This are the Gucci gang. The story upon them and what's going on. So more to the sit back and watch them white boy yo. How them a do them thing in a Dublin. And leave a comment. Alright? My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And hit the notification button. And I have another video I come out on a group, a father and him two son and them empire, and the US government sanction them. That's why I say Jamaica are really child's play. You understand? Do this are the biggest thing, but them youth are billionaire. You understand? I mean I do the story upon them. So stay tuned on the channel for that video there, on that family here. Alright. Watch the rest of this. I'm out, countryman.
Days after running for his life from a gunman, Mr. Flashy posted video on social media of his carefree criminal mug on a jet ski. Mr. Flashy always thinks of his fans. Naturally, the Irish have kindly seen fit to censor Flashy's mug and name from public view again. Gangster David Glenn Ward must be laughing. Video.
Anything can get.
A clear threat from Mr. Flashy or his crew was posted April 17th. Irish taxpayers need to protect this thug's identity. Who is protecting Irish citizens from him? If he were Garda Síochána's little rat boy, it would explain everything. Mr. Flashy enemies make a good point about David Glenn Ward being a rat. Arrested often but never touched as all fall around him. This is signature rat, seen often. We are aware of wide censorship of Mr. Flashy's photo and identity. David Glenn Ward of the Gucci Gang is a famous Dublin gangster, guilty of any number of ongoing violent crimes, including dealing drugs. Why does this evil little man command anonymity, something no other gangster on earth enjoys? For the protection of the public, this clown's photo should be available, like all others. The public in Dublin, and elsewhere, needs to avoid being anywhere near David Glenn Ward for their safety. Anybody taking that away from folks are irresponsible shitfaces. Endanger the innocent while protecting a notorious gangster? Irish authorities must have potatoes for brains. Mr. Flashy ran for his life after the taxi carrying him and an associate in Dublin was shot up. Cops expected retaliation over the Flashy mob murder of rival James Whelan in April. Cops say Whelan's allies tried to gun down the mob boss and his sidekick.